morning kids. Welcome back to maths class. Today's topic is descending order. Okay, in descending order write the numbers from big to small. Write the numbers from big to small. Okay, first see here. Before we are discussing about in ascending order. In ascending order means write the numbers from small to big. This order is ascending order. Ascending order. Now we are discussing about descending order. In descending order means big to small. Big to small. Okay, look at here all of you. What this is? Yeah, this is the slide. Okay, now go. First you go to up. Go to up. This order is ascending order. Come down. Come to down. Come to down. Means this order means descending order. Descending order means big to small. Come to down. Come to down. Okay. Write the numbers from big to small, greatest to smallest number, greatest to smallest number. This order is descending order. Descending order means first you go to up. This order is ascending order. Ascending order means write the numbers from small to big. Okay, go to up means increasing order. Come to down, descending order. Come to down means that one is the descending order. Okay, now we are discussing about descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending O-R-D-E-R, descending order. Okay, in descending order, write the numbers from, write the numbers from big to small. Big to small. Write the numbers from big to small. This order is descending order. Descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Big to small, this order is descending order. Okay, see here, same example. Okay. Okay, see here. Now here I will take here 8. Okay, next 7, next 6, next 5, next 4, 3, 2. Means descending means come to down. Okay, come to down. First one, which number is the big number? Okay, 8 is the big. Next 7. Next one is the 7. Next 6. Next 5. Next 4. Next 3. Next 2. Okay, this order is descending order. In descending order, write the numbers from big to small. Big to small. Okay, in descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Okay. Look at here. Okay, what is this? You know very well. In birthday time you distribute to this one. Yes or no? Yeah, what this one is in chocolate. In chocolate to have some numbers is there. Okay, in chocolate, what is there in numbers? 10, 4, 3, 1, yard. In this chocolate, what is their numbers? Okay, what is there? 10, 4, 3, 1, yard. Now write the numbers from in descending order. In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Big to small means come to down. Come to down. Okay. come to down. Come to down means descending order. Now see here in this chocolate, which number is the big? Which number is the big? Okay, only this in chocolate. 1 is the big? No. Which is the big? Next 3? No. Which is the big? Yeah, 10 is the big. Right here, 10. Okay. In what they have in this chocolate? 1, 3, 4 and 8. Okay, next number. Okay, next number is 3. No. 4. No. Tell me students what the next number is? 8. Okay, right here. 8. Next. Okay, what is there here numbers? 1, 3 and 4. Okay, in this chocolate next number is? Yeah, next number is 4. Right here 4. Next 3 and 1. Okay, in this chocolate what is the numbers? 10, 4, 3, 8, 1. In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. First of all you select big number. First of all select the big number. Okay, in this chocolate first which is the bigger? Yeah. What is 10? Okay, right here 10. Next number? 8. Next 4. Next 3, 1. Okay, this order is descending order. Okay, descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Okay, put the numbers now in descending order. Okay, here first problem. Okay, what is the numbers? 9. Okay, next number 8. Next 1, 2. In this number, which is the bigger? Which is the bigger? Tell me students, which is the bigger? 1 is the bigger? No, 1 is the smaller. Only these numbers. Only these numbers. Next, 2 is the bigger? No. Okay, next, which is the bigger? Yeah, tell me students, which is the bigger? Yeah, 10. Okay, sorry, 9. Right here, 9 is over. 9 is over. Next, what is the balance? 8, 1, 2. Okay, na? 8, 1, 2. In these numbers, next, which one is the bigger? Yeah, 8 is the bigger. Right here, 8. Okay, next one, which is the bigger? Yeah, 2. Right here, 2. Next, 1. Okay, this order is descending order. In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Write the numbers from big to small. Big to small. See here, 9, 8, 1, 2. In these numbers, which number is the big? 9. That's why I am writing here 9. Next one, 8. Next, 2. Next, 1. Okay. Next, one more example. Now I am taking in 2-digit numbers. 25, 32, 26, 48. Okay, once again see here. What is these numbers? 25, 32, 26, 48. In these numbers, which number is the bigger? Which number is the big? Means greatest number. Okay, in descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Write the numbers from big to small. Okay, in these numbers 25, 32, 26, 48. In these numbers, which one is the big? Big means greatest number. Big means greatest number. Tell me students, which one is the big? Greatest number. Which one is the big? 25 is the big? No. 32? No. Next, 26? No. Next, 48. Yeah. Select 48. Right here, 48. Right here 48. Next 48 is over. Next what is there? Here 25, 32 in 26. In these numbers, which one is the big? 25? Next 26? No. Next? Yeah, 32. Right here 32. Again balance what they have? 25 and 26. 25 and 26. In 25 and 26, which one is the bigger? In descending order, write the numbers from big to small. In 25, in 26. Which one is the big? Yeah, 26. Right here, 26 and 25. Okay, 25, 32, 26, 48. In these numbers, first one is the big 48, next one 32, next 26, next 25. Okay, one more example. Okay. Okay, see here 46, 33, 23, 18, 54. Now I want descending order. Tell me students, what is the descending order? Tell me what is the descending order? In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Big to small. Big to small. Tell me students, in these numbers, which one is the big? In these numbers, which one is the big? Okay, which one is the big? 33? No. Next, 23? No. Yeah. Which one? Yeah, 46. Sorry. Which one? 54. Yeah, very good. Now write 54. Okay, next. What they have here? 46, 33, 23, 18. Okay, 18. In these numbers, which one is the bigger? Bigger means greatest number. And the number means, see here, 33. No. Next, 23. No. 18. No. Again what? Yeah, 46. Right here, 46. Okay. 33, 23, 18. In these numbers, which is the big? Yeah, 33. Right here, 33. Next, yeah, 23 and 18. Okay. Once again, see here, 46, 33, 23, 18, 54. Which is the greatest number? 54. Next, 46, 33, 23, 18. Okay. See here. Next, one more example. What is this? This is the 32, 25, 34, 22. See here. Now here 32. Next 25, 34, 22. See, do very careful. Now this one is a descending order. Descending order means write the numbers from big to small. first select, see here, 3 to 32, 2 5, 25, 3 4, 34, 2 to 22. See here, in these numbers, which one is the big? See here, first you see first digit. Here 3, 2, 3, 2. In first digits, how is there? Same. Same how means here, go to next number. Here 32 and 34. 32 and 34. Which is the bigger? Which is the bigger? Yeah, 34. Right here, 34. Next, 32, 25, 22. Which is the bigger? Yeah, 32. Right here, 32. Next, 25, 22. Which is the bigger? Yeah, 25. Right here, 25. Next, 22. Next one is 22. Okay. See here, descending order means write the numbers from big to small. This order is descending order. Okay. One more example. Okay, here 50, 20, 60, 38 and 38. Okay, in these numbers, which number is the big? Which number is the big? In descending order, write the numbers from big to small. Okay, in these numbers, which one is the big? Tell me students, which one is the big? 15 is the big? No. Next, 20? No. Next, which one is the big? Yeah, very good. 38. Now this number select and write here 38. Okay. Next, go to next numbers. Only these numbers, what is the balance is there? 15, 20 and 16. Okay. In these numbers, which one is the greatest number? Means bigger. Okay. Which one is the bigger? 15 is the bigger? No. Tell me. Yeah. Which number? Yeah. 20. Select 20. What is the balance is there? 15 and 16. 15 and 16. Okay. 15 and 16. Which one is the bigger? Yeah. Which one is the bigger? 16. Right here. 16. Next one is the 15. Okay. In descending order, write the numbers from big to small. Descending order, write the numbers from big to small. Okay. See here numbers 20, 25, 30, 50. Okay, in descending order. In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Okay, in this number, which number is the big? Means greatest number. 20 is the greatest number? No. Tell me students, which one is the big? Yeah, very good. 50 is the big. Select 50 and write here 50. Okay, now 50 is over. Again 3 more numbers is there. In 3 numbers, here 20, 25, 30. Tell me students, next number in these numbers, which one is the big? Yeah, 30. Select 30. Write here 30. Again 2 numbers only is there. What that one is the 20 and 25. 20 and 25. 20 and 25. Which number is the big? Means greatest number. Right. Tell me students, which one is the greatest number? 20 and 25. Tell me, what is this? Yeah, 25. Right here, 25 and 20. Okay. In descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Big to small. This order is descending order. In descending order, write the numbers from big to small. After watching this video, work out the worksheets. Thank you.